Darjeeling, fondly called Queen of Hills, provides a perfect gateway for those seeking to be in harmony with nature. Darjeeling, a popular tourist destination, is a town in the Indian state of West Bengal. Is located in the Lesser Himalaya, situated at an altitude of 2,134 meters. It covers a total area of 1,164 square miles.
The district touches 3 international boundaries with Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. It also touches the northeastern state of Sikkim and Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal.
Darjeeling's temperate climate led to its development as a hill station and had become an important tourist destination as early as 1860, which allows the visitors to escape the immense summer heat of plains.
The nearest rail head is New Jalpaiguri, and the nearest air trip to Darjeeling is Bagdogra in Siliguri. Darjeeling can be also reached by National Highway 55. The town has a narrow gauge rail line passing through Darjeeling, connecting with Siliguri.
Darjeeling is famous for its sunrise from Tiger Hill, view of Kanchenjunga as seen from Darjeeling, toy train, Batashia Loop and War Memorial, tea gardens, Roopway, Chourasta, Himalayan Geological Park and other beautiful places.
Ghum is famous as the highest toy train railway station in the world. Was established in the year of 1881. The Ghum Museum is situated beside the Ghum station.
Built in 1875, the Yaga Choling Monastery is said to be blessed by renowned religious head of Tibet. The specialty is that it houses the statue of future coming Buddha known as Maitreya Buddha.
The Batashia Loop is a railway loop, an engineering marvel where the railway tracks interact to form a figure of 8. The War Memorial at the center of the loop honors the brave son of Darjeeling who died in the several wars since 1947.
A trip to Darjeeling is incomplete without a ride in the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, which is a 60 cm narrow gauge railway that was declared a World Heritage by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization in 1999.
Chourasta became famous for being the center of art and activity in Darjeeling. Chourasta is the meeting place of 4 main roads, surrounded by an existing range of tourist shops and items for sale. Tourists can even enjoy pony rides and view the mountain ranges from here. The Mall Road originates and culminates at the Chourasta, which is the hub of Darjeeling town. Tourists can find the rare handicrafts and local handmade jewelry, woolen cloths and sweaters, and other beautiful items at here.
Darjeeling is famous for its adventurous tourism. Darjeeling Rangit Valley Passenger Ropeway is one of the most beautiful part of the town and is situated at a north point. The cable car rides take 6 passengers at a time and it passes over the lush green tea gardens with a breathtaking view of the Kanchenjunga and provides an experience that cannot be easily forgotten.
The Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park, also called Town Zoo, is a high-altitude wildlife park which exhibits some rare Himalayan fauna, including the snow leopard, Tibetan wolf, Himalayan black bear, barking deer, red panda, black leopard, Siberian tiger, and exotic Himalayan birds.
The Himalayan Mountaineering Institute was formed to honor Tenzing Norgay, who conquered the Everest along with Edmund Hillary. Tenzing Norgay was the director of the institute for several years. This institute also houses a museum which holds a rare collection of mementos from various Everest expeditions. Tiger Hill is the highest point in all of Darjeeling, known for its magnificent view of sunrise, situated at an altitude of 2,590 meters. From here, tourists can get a breathtaking view of Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga, which is the world's third highest peak. Darjeeling tea is internationally recognized and ranks among the most popular of the black teas. Due to the unique agroclimate conditions of Darjeeling, it has a distinctive natural flavor. Darjeeling produces 7% of India's tea output, approximately 90 lakhs kilograms every year. The St. Andrew's Church of Darjeeling was built in 1843 and it was rebuilt in 1873.
Darjeeling is one of the most beautiful hill stations of India and a major tourist destination attracting thousands of people from across the world every year.